Hi, I'm Tim Deller. I'm Head of Fabrication here at Spaces Storage Group. Okay, so the first step in our process is mapping out the locations of the entries. It will map out in a computer program the location of a proposed modification, and then we'll create nice drawings and send these off to the client for approval on location. And then once that process is complete, we will fabricate the components, we'll support the container, remove the metal, and insert the fabricated components. And then we'll use what's called a plasma cutter, which is basically an electric torch. And we remove the steel, safely remove it out. And then the second step is installing the fabricated steel tubing to bring back the structure of the container. Without this, the corrugations tend to bow and pull in weird directions. So by doing this, we can stiffen everything back up. That also gives us a good structure to adhere the roll-up door trackings to, which is excellent. And then we build a custom sort of transition to divert water away from going into the container. And then the step after this would be cleaning up all around the steel tubing and install a thermoelastic plastic sealant, and then we paint everything.